Hello everyone, and we're back with wolf story, my wolf story that I began to make up a couple months ago, maybe a month ago, I think it was. And I'm gonna try to leave off where we left off on part 3. So this will be part 4. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm just gonna go to bed now. Oh right, we left off in the morning. I guess it really wasn't a nightmare. No. Anyway, I better get off to the hunt. Okay, brings back some food for the pups. Okay, cool. All wolves old enough to hunt, come to the hunt. Coming, Dad. Gotta go, Mom. Bye. Okay, bye. We went to the hunt. At first we saw nothing. Then we came across a caribou herd. It looked like there was a baby caribou. Once it strayed from its mother, we chased it. Come on, pack! As our father gave the howl, which basically meant to go hunt, we automatically chased. The baby was too weak to run. It was like maybe a week old. It could walk, but it wasn't that fast. We chased it. Its mother saw us. Our dad holding it off, while we grabbed a hold of the baby's neck and slowly brought it to the ground. We dragged it all the way back. Hey, Hope. Yeah, Dad? Take a little piece of this back to your mother and the pups. Okay, Father. I took a chunk of the meat and I brought it to the pups. Thanks, Hope. You're welcome, Mom. I was starving. We didn't eat last night because of the storm. Me and the rest of the pack began to eat. It tasted so good. We hadn't eaten in a whole day, and it tasted so good to finally eat. Later, Fluffy walked up to me. Hope! 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 Fluffy, what is it? Aren't you glad we were able to catch some prey today? Yeah, I was starving. I hope you enjoyed the den, and my old den. Well, you didn't lose your old den. We just had to unbury it with rocks. Yeah. Although, don't you ever wonder what the mother caribou thought? What do you mean? Like, we killed her baby. How would you feel if someone killed your offspring? It's the circle of life, Fluffy. I know we have to eat her, but that was only like a week old. Yeah, which means it's slower and easier to pick off. Yeah, but sometimes I wonder why we do those things. Because we have to eat, Fluffy. It's the circle of life, aka survival of the fittest. But still, even